Hello guys, this is Deepak Choras here. As I have mentioned in my last video, why are we not growing? That I will give you the hack how you can switch from valueless activities to valuable activities and drive more towards the valuable activities. So in short, we want to stop wasting our time and start utilizing our time for our growth purpose. So before knowing how to do that shift, first we need to understand why actually someone wastes time, why we actually waste the time. So there are the 5 reasons why we waste our time. Number 1, temporary satisfaction. Yes, we are the human being, and in current generation where we are living, we all look for the shortcuts. Even in happiness we started looking the shortcuts. That's why we love to watch lots of movies, we love to watch lots of daily soaps, we love to engage with the friends on daily basis without any purpose or objective. We love to interact a lot on social media and fulfill our desire to get lot of attention which we are not getting in our physical life. So this is the first very most reason. The second reason, we as a human have the mentality what everyone is doing is the correct. So we try to do what everyone is doing. If everyone has the Facebook account, I must have. If everyone has the Instagram account, I must have. If everyone is on Twitter, I must be on Twitter. If people watches movies, see the daily soap, do nothing is wrong in that. We should also do that. That is the way to live. Third point is, you are in control of your life. How you get to know that you are in control of our life? Obviously, when you are unable to plan your day, when you are only chasing and doing the activities on ad hoc basis, you don't know after 2 hours what you will be doing, then you are in control of your life. You are chasing money, you are saving money, and you are keep looking for money, and in that process you are wasting lot of precious time in the useless activities. It means you are in control of your life. Either we have a understanding that the freedom we need to live freely, and that freedom we have defined in the wrong way. We feel that doing the things whatever way we want in the messy way, in the dog way, is the freedom, which is not the true, and that is not the true freedom. Now the fourth point is unable to plan your day. You don't know how to plan your day. Either you feel the planning a day is the wastage of time, or either you want to plan your day but you do not understand which tasks to perform by yourself, which tasks should be delegated, what tasks should be given more priority and more weightage, what tasks should be taken on lower priority. Or you feel, if I start planning my day, I will start living so systematically that I will lose the feeling of human and will start feeling myself like a machine. Now the fifth and most important point is, you don't know what to do with your surplus and spare time. Yes, you know that if you start living systematically, if you plan your day systematically, you are able to save a hell lot of time. But when you have that time, you actually are not sure what to do with that time. And if you are in that state of mind, then believe me, you do not have the drive in your life. You are not doing what you love, or you are not loving what you do. Because in any case, you have to go with any one option. Either you need to love what you do, either you need to do what you love. So you need to find the purpose, a bigger purpose in your life. And once you find the purpose, a bigger goal of your life, you can grow and transform very easily, and your most of the energy will go towards your purpose. So once you have the purpose in your life, it will drive you to gain lot of milestones, and you will live a life full of happiness and with joy. So this is all from my side in this video. If you want to know how to identify the purpose of your life, what exercise you need to do so that you can get to know what is the purpose of your life, and you can drive towards it and you can work towards it, then wait for my next video, where I will be giving you the step-by-step process how to find your purpose in your life. Thanks. This is your friend Deepak Choras here. I am signing off now. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel for so more such amazing videos. Thank you. Thanks all.